This cop got upset after being honked at for stopping in the roundabout way before the other driver. The other driver was the one who was supposed to yield, and the cop should have known that. And the cop decided to make a big deal about it by pulling over the dashcam driver by turning on his lights. Completely unnecessary, and I think it's just because the cop got his ego bruised, but listen to what the cop says and then we'll check in at the end of the video. And also a reminder to always use a dashcam while driving. You never know if you'll encounter an incident like this, and you always want to have proof, audio and video of everything.
Hello, Lewis from the Sheriff's Office. Did you honk at me?
Yeah, I just saw you stop right in front of there when it was an open way for you to go.
That car was coming, he was closer than I was, and there's a yield. Everyone is required to, what irritates me the most is like when there's a car stopped and you get a line of cars and just think they can keep going. That's actually a violation. It's fair to yield. Those are yields at every single intersection. So if there's somebody sitting there and you pull up there and the 3 cars in front of you cut him off, you're required to stop and let him go. Just like I would let him go because he was closer to the intersection than I was. And it's a respectful thing to do because it is a yield.
Then I do apologize. I'm in my view of it is like he's supposed to yield to you, so you would be entering it before him.
He was closer than I was, which is why I slowed down and yielded to him.
Then I apologize.
Yeah, it's all good. I would just be cautious about honking at people because I'm a nice guy. You never know who you're honking at.
Yeah, I get it. Yeah, it like in my book I was just reading, it said that if he's a stop ahead of you, then that means you go first, and then he has to yield to you because you'd be entering before him. So that's why.
Yeah, these things are difficult. There are a lot of people, unfortunately, that when they start putting these roundabouts in, all these people that took their driver's test prior to there being a lot of roundabouts in Washington State, nobody really got educated. I came from a state that had roundabouts for many, many, many years. So out here, a lot of people are just getting used to even how to drive it, and which is why it's a yield. It's almost like putting a stop sign there, except for there's a car stop. You're required to slow down, let them go if they're already sitting there waiting. I stop cars all the time because there's like 20 people that'll sit there and continue to go through like they have the right of way when somebody's sitting there stopped, and that's not the case. They're required to stop.
So the original rules have changed since when they originally put them out. Like I've had my.
There's not a original rule. I mean, there hasn't been a lot of roundabouts in Washington State except for like maybe the last 5 years or more.
Yeah, I got my license like 20-something years ago. So
yeah, way before there were roundabouts in the state.
Yeah, so I just knew the basics of it. So
always look at it this way.
And that's where the video stopped. Thankfully, the cop did not issue any kind of tickets or anything. He just wanted to waste the dashcam driver's time. I think the cop was completely wrong here for doing that. Some people really can't admit when they're wrong, and this cop is clearly one of them. Let me know what you think in the comments of this.